My name is Apsey. I'm the Managing Director of a company called VeriMe. We provide age verification attributes in the United Kingdom, and we had been on a search for a suitable technical partner that would allow us to take our verification results and give citizens an identity that they could then use in lots of different environments. It's fully encrypted, it's easy for merchant websites to onboard the technology. So we're here in Germany to try and help and promote Keyp, get their products out to the rest of the world. In the United Kingdom, because we're great at making rules, we have 18 different product groups that require age verification. And as retail moves online, and in the UK it's moved online very, very quickly, online retailers need reliable systems to age verify the purchase. If they don't age verify, they face very large fines. So I see it a lot in the retail sector online. The other big challenge is as governments introduce more and more laws to make certain products requiring age verification in the bricks and mortar environment, in the supermarket. Supermarkets are in effect becoming the policemen of government, and they need technologies that will enable them to quickly get people through tills and terminals in the knowledge that they're of the right age.